Hard water can cause variety of issues such as dry skin and brittle hair, and also limescale deposits. But did you know there are different types of water softeners to solve this problem? Before we dive into the new episode in the types of hard water softeners, let's quickly recap. A water softener removes hardness causing minerals like calcium and magnesium carbonates, making water gentler on your skin, hair, appliances and plumbing. It helps reduce scale buildup, boost cleaning efficiency and extends the life of household equipment. Let's explore the different options for hard water softeners. Number 1. Salt-based ion exchange softeners. First, we have salt-based water softeners. These use ion exchange technology to remove calcium and magnesium, replacing them with sodium. They are effective for hard water and are generally used for the complete house softening. These are high maintenance and require regular regeneration with salt solution to remain effective. Number 2. Salt-free water softeners. Next, we have salt-free water softeners. These neutralizes hard salts to make them inert and thus reduce the damage caused by hard water on hair and skin. These are used for shower and tap filters and sometimes are also for full house softening. These use filtration media like KDF, calcium sulfite and activated carbon to reduce chlorine, sediments and effects of hard water. They help improve skin and hair health while preventing minor scale buildup. For bathing, a shower and tap filters from Riversoft are effective in reducing harmful effects of hard water and protects from skin and hair damage. Each type has its benefits depending on your needs. In our next episode, we will compare water softeners with RO systems. Stay tuned.